Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will discuss about how we can create the list from the available template from the Microsoft. So there are the predefined template according to our needs. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a list. Okay, go on site content and click on new list and I will select from here. Let me brief about where we can use this template. Okay, suppose you want to track the issue in your organization or in your department, then you can use this template. Employee onboarding on employee onboarding template you can use when an HR have to recruit the new employees and maintain the process in SharePoint. So you can use this employee onboarding template. Event itinerary. It's important that when you are going to organize events within the department or a company, and you want to store the data for those events, so you can use this event itinerary template. Asset manager. So asset manager, when you want to keep track the data of your devices, like you have a lot of hardware detail needs to store somewhere. So SharePoint Asset Manager, this template is quite okay to keep track of all the data. Recruitment tracker. So this can be used when you want to store the recruitment uh, employees detail and how many, like keep information about what are the results which for those candidate interview has been taken and what's the status and which stage it's in progress, whether the candidate has joined or not joined your company. So you can use this recruitment tracker. Travel request. So when an employee have to raise their request and you want to store the travel information about that particular employee, and you want to maintain that information and keep the eye on budget, how much budget you want to specify for the traveling for the company or in a department. So you can use this travel request. And this is the other. So both these are correlated to each other, travel request and approval. So let's suppose you maintain the request user request details, and now it's point about who will approve these details and what are the information we need to maintain in the tables and in a SharePoint list. So you can use this travel request and approval template. And work order tracker. Work order tracker, when suppose you have too many tasks in your bucket and you want to streamline your work, so you can use work order tracker to prioritize the tasks which are the highly demanded, and those have the middle priority and other who have the low priority. So you can use this progress tracker to maintain the information and deliver the highest quality of work to your customer, or maintain the employees work progress data in the SharePoint. So you can use this work progress tracker. Content scheduler. So let's suppose you want to make the plan and manage your team and manage the contents, and you want to publish some new feature or new announcement and filter those data, you can use the content scheduler. uh, content next is the content scheduler and approval. So this is the almost same, but this is just the approval who, like to whom that, like let's suppose you created that content and it's still pending to approve. So once approved, it will get published to some other site, or to the team member or to the organization. So you can use this. So both are correlated about the create and approve. This kind of workflow will run in both the time, both these list template. Playlist is just a, like you want to arrange your work set or video or images or task, and you want make in a specific order in a playlist. So you can use that a playlist, like you are making a playlist in your mobile. So you are set up some sort of order that yes, this song should play in this order, and this should play first, and this should play in second and third in ascending or descending order. So you can make it same in this template as well. Gift ideas. So let's suppose you want planning to organize a gift event in your department or in your company, and you want to deliver on some festival, Holi, Diwali, or Christmas, want to deliver some gift, and you want to maintain the store the data of those employees, members in a SharePoint. So you can use this gift idea list and maintain the data. Expense tracker. This is also one or more one of most important thing to keep expense tracker for the employees, like who are traveling, who are the food expense, or travel, and other any other asset demanded, and the user is or member is raising the expense track request. So we can manage this that thing in expense tracker. Next is the recipe tracker is something like when we want like manage like food items, and making the records like what should be the menu, and for that according to the category, and what should be the number of items required to make that particular items. So we can keep track of those recipes in a recipe tracker. So let's talk about we will create a just one demo from here. Let's go with employee onboarding. Okay, so on the fly it will create you these column which are already created in this template. So you will just read these information, and you can go back as well. Okay, 'cause if you selected this template by mistake, you can go back as well. So let's go again on employee onboarding. Use this template. This you can modify the name onboarding. I want to show this list on navigation bar. Just click here. Okay. Okay. So now the list is created the same way, but it has predefined column which we do not need to add, but we can add our own columns here. Or and let's say I want to add now. Okay. I want to add the data here. Okay. I will add the data work, IT description. There is software developer needs. Okay, completed by, that means how long it will take, 90 days, and we can add our own values inside this drop down. See how this is looking very beautiful without adding a own custom HTML. SharePoint has a facility like to give the colors for those values as well. So I will say after 30 days it will get completed. Right now, no, I am not checking this because this step will occur when we will run some workflows and post that it will get completed and completed on. I will select here, suppose 30th November. Mentor will be the Alex here, and there is no link test. There is no test at this moment. I There is no link at this moment to me, but I will add like this way. So when we click on this, it will redirect here, and we can attach here the resume as well. Okay, so I'm just going to click on save this. Okay, test link. Okay. Software. Okay, let's add another column here. HR. Okay, we that HR needs to hire HR, senior HR. Okay, completed by in 60 days. Let's say it's completed and completed on. Let's say it completed on 4th, 4th on Sunday. Let's say 6th of November. Okay, mentor will be the admin here. Admin. Okay. I will add this, and we can attach again here some attachment, some resume, or use the employees documents. Just click on hit on save, so it's get added here, and same way we can modify these values, and we can make the workflows and modify this list form as well, like this is showing, and we can modify in a other structure as well, and edit columns as well. And okay, so this is how we can do, but these things we will do later on the Power BI, and customize this list form with the JSON formatting. We will do this later in the later videos, but for now uh, my aim is just to show you how you can create the list from the Microsoft available template, and you can check these are the setting here. The views are by default created by date. Okay, so these are the group by date added here. Okay, and this is also uncompleted. Yes, like completed status, work to be completed. This is pending. Okay, main status is no, so that's why it added the filter. So these are all the views. So by default it will have this view, but these are the other view we can check from here, and we can check the this list setting as well from here. If we want to change something in this, if we go on these views, we can check these. There are the filter added here. Okay, somehow it should have the filter group by. See, here are the group by completed by is show in ascending order. So these are the by default condition added on this. Okay. Mm, okay, so let's go back again and show something to you. Record level permission. So suppose we have created this record, but again I don't want to share with this record with some of the users, so we can manage this permission from here as well. Manage permission, click on three dots, advanced setting. This is how we can stop inheriting permission and manage the permission, remove the groups and add the I stop the inheriting permission here. Now I will can remove the members as other members or tabs, and we can remove all those and add any other user to whom we won't grant the access. This is how we discussed in last document uh, library video, so how we can manage the permission. So same thing we can manage here. Okay, so I am just replacing the permission which it already has from the parent. Okay, so this is how we can work with this available template list from the Microsoft. I hope so you learned about how we can work with the Microsoft list template which are from the Microsoft. And if there are any questions, please comment uh, and let me know if you need any other tutorial or need to learn something more, or in any other specific topic, so that I could explain to you how we can work on that. Okay, so thank you so much for joining this video. I will come up with new video and will explain to you. Okay, so thank you and have a great day.